Hi guys, here's a quick video on how to find the perfect squares. And so once you have your calculator open, you're going to want to go to your graph, which is number 2. All right, so you're going to go to new documents, you're going to go to number 2, which is your graphs. And say that I'm looking for the square root of 72, I would put 72 divide by x, and it always has to be divided by x. And so divided by x, then you'll hit enter, and you probably won't be able to see the graphs. And then we're going to go Control T to get a table. And then over here, we'll be looking for only the whole numbers. We don't want decimals. And so then you will tab down. You're not going to look for any negative numbers either. And so your factors are 1 and 72, 2 and 36, 3 and 24, 4 and 18. And then keep scrolling, and 6 and 12, and then you start looking to see when it repeats, 8 and 9, 9 and 8. And so then you can see that it has already started to repeat. And so then you're going to look to see which one of these are your biggest perfect squares. And right here, 2 and 36 is your biggest perfect square. You can also, if you have a lot that you're doing, you can also go to the menu and you can press number 2 for table, and then you can edit. Press number 4 for edit the expression, hit delete, and say that you're looking for, you wanted to find the square root of 42. Then you put 42 divided by x, hit enter, and then you would have 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3 and 14. And you're looking for, and then 6 and 7, and 7 and 6, and you can see that they have already started to repeat. And so 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 6 and 7. And so as you can see, when it goes to 2 and 21, it looks like 42 is going to be what we consider prime. There's not a perfect square in that number. And so then you would just leave it as 42. Okay, and so if you want to go back in and find another one, you would just come over here to menu, number 2 for table, and then edit expression, which is number 4. And you can go in and change it. So if your next problem was, say you had to do the square root of 63, so you'd have 63 divided by x, hit enter. And then you would scroll down, and so 1 and 63, 3 and 21, 7 and 9. So we know 9 is a perfect square. And go ahead and see, and then it repeats at 9 and 7. So we know that 9 is our biggest perfect square. And so that's exactly how you would handle that. So hopefully this little video has helped you a little bit. Thanks a lot.